How to stop battery drain caused by background AI processes. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can stop battery drain caused by background AI processes. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. To stop battery drain caused by background AI, what you'll need to do is some general battery optimization. What you'll need to do is enable a battery saver mode. So swipe down from the top and find your battery saver mode and turn it on. Doing that will fix most of your problem. I'll just turn it off for now. And turn on your battery saver mode or low power mode. This is the quickest way to limit background activities, and also it automatically restricts power hungry processors. So the other thing is you can check your battery usage statistics. For that, locate your settings, search for battery, and after you're on your battery, you can see a breakdown. So to see a breakdown, head over to battery uses and check for which app consumes your battery the most. And after that, start limiting those apps. Also, you can start managing your AI features. You can head over to your settings. Let me go to the settings and then head over to apps. So what you can do after you're here is, after you're on the apps, you can then select the apps using the excessive battery. Head over to see all apps. And from here, you can then head over to Google Assistant. Search for Google Assistant. After you find Google Assistant, open it up and you can force stop that. And that's one way of doing it. If you have any other apps such as Gemini or your ChatGPT, you can turn that off as well. So open up your Gemini. You can disable the app. Tap on disable. And doing that will stop your AI from working in the background. And doing stuff like that will help you stop battery drain caused by background AI processes. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.